Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a Valentine's Day video. So if you are watching this, happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys have a great day, whoever you're going to spend it with, if it's friends, your significant other, or a sister, whoever you want to spend Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day. So today's video is showing you what I got my Valentine. So myself and a couple of other ladies from YouTube decided to do a Valentine's Day gift exchange. So calling it a Galentine Day. So I randomly got someone and I'm gonna show you guys what I got her. So our budget was $30. You couldn't go over $30, and I'm gonna go ahead and just tell you guys a little bit about what you were to get your person that you got. That arranged everything. Her name is Tiffany White. First thing that you are to get them is you're supposed to get them a snack or like a candy, something that you think they might like or something you would want them to try out. Second thing is recommending a YouTube channel to that person that you think they might enjoy watching. The third thing was, so we did create like a Google Doc spreadsheet where we kind of listed some of the things we would like to get, or like what our favorite color was, or some things that we might be interested in, so that person that was getting us something kind of had an idea what to get. The fourth item that we were to get them was just a small gift of something that we thought they would enjoy. So like if you went to their YouTube channel, you looked at some of their videos, something that you might think they enjoy. And again, our budget was $30, so you couldn't go over $30. That was the maximum that you could spend. So you could spend $15 or $20. But today I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys what I got that person. I'm not gonna tell you who I got, so I am gonna link down everyone that entered this so you can go ahead and check out their videos and guess who I got. So the person that I got, her channel has a couple of different things. It is a family channel. She seems very fashionable and she has a lot of great content. So again, make sure you guys are checking all the links down below so you guys can check all these other people that entered this gift exchange. So on her wish list, she had that she wanted a tripod for her phone, so I got her this from Amazon. I'm not gonna go ahead and open it, but I did open it to just make sure everything was there and it wasn't broken. It is a little bit smaller than I thought it was, so hopefully if you're watching this, hopefully you like it. And I was just like, oh my goodness, it's so small, but hopefully it works out for you. I did think it would be good if you are blogging and it's really easy to hold, but I did get you this that was on your wish list, so I really hope you like it. Another thing that was on her wish list was a pop socket, and from her videos that I have seen, I know her favorite color is gold, so I did get her this. It's a little gold one. I got this one off Amazon, so hopefully she likes it. So for the first item, a snack I think she would like, or I would want her to try, is so I'm Mexican, so I obviously got her Mexican candy that I hope she likes. So I got her this. This is called a Duvalin. I want to almost describe it as like Nutella kind of. There's a strawberry side and then there's a chocolate side. So I got her this one. Hopefully she likes it. If she doesn't like it, whatever. And then I got her this one. This is called a mazapan. If you are allergic to peanuts, please don't eat these. They're made from peanuts. They're really, really good. The goal is to basically be able to unwrap it and have it perfectly in a circle, which doesn't always happen. So I would want her to try these out. So the second thing again was recommending a YouTube channel to her. So I'm gonna go ahead and write that in a little card, and I'll go ahead and put it on her box. So the person I'm recommending, I'm not gonna go ahead and say who I'm recommending, but if you are a small YouTube channel like myself, that you are starting YouTube or you're wanting to start YouTube, this channel that I'm recommending has a lot of tips and ideas, and she gets into everything. Just everything you would want to know when starting a YouTube channel. This person that I'm going to recommend her channel, she is great at explaining it, just understanding everything that has to do with YouTube. If you're a person that does YouTube or is wanting to start YouTube, or you just want some advice, Make sure you check out all the links below so you can figure out who I recommended. And then some of the other things that I decided to throw in there was this vitamin C face mask that I got from Walmart. I just decided to throw something small so she can pamper herself the day before Valentine's if she has something going on with her husband. And I also decided to throw this nail polish in red, of course, just for Valentine's Day, so she can have her nails ready to go. And then I'm also throwing this Bath & Body Works that I bought a couple of them if you guys saw any of my last videos. So I decided I'd throw one of these in just because I did have a couple. And the last product that I decided to get her was this little Valentine's Day list pad. So if she has any ideas for her YouTube channel or anything that she needs to write down, this is just a great way to list them down. I thought it was really cute, and again, it's Valentine's Day pink with hearts, so I got this from Walmart. I just think I would throw that in to her box. Hey guys, well, I finally got my package. It is Wednesday. We were required to ship our packages Monday, and a week later, a little bit over a week, I got mine. Apparently there was a problem with UPS, so it wasn't the girl's fault that sent it to me, but I was upset because I thought I wasn't gonna get one. But anyways, I'm so glad it's here, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. Like I mentioned earlier, we did fill out a Google Doc sheet saying basically what we wanted. I basically just said what my favorite color was, and I believe it asked us like if we liked any scented items or something like that. So I'm a fan of lavender. So that's basically what I said. I was like, just surprised me, excited to get whatever. So I'm excited to see what she actually got me. I'm excited. This is my first collab. So with all these other girls. So I'm excited to see what she got me. And like, obviously I have no idea who got me. Oh my gosh. So she sent me this notebook. Such a cute one. Your Hearts to New Adventures. It is so pretty. So that's funny because I was actually thinking about like starting to journal, like a Dear Diary kind of thing. Because I used to do it when I was younger, but then obviously like when I got older, I stopped. And I wish I still had some of those diaries of when I was younger just to see what I used to think or the things I used to think, to see the things I was going through when I was younger. And I've seen so many of those videos on YouTube, like Bought a Stranger's Diary. So I thought it was really cool to kind of write down all my experiences now and then keep them, and then a couple years from later refer back to them. And she sent me this super cute pen. This is so cute. I love it. And it has a lot of sheets. And I actually think it matches my map. No, oh my god, guys, it actually matches my map. Like, I'm gonna have to show you guys. It's so nice. I love it. Thank you so much. So the next item she got me are these chocolate kisses, and they come in this cute little bag. I'm a big fan of chocolate, so I will be eating some of these right after this video because I actually feel like I need sugar. They come in such a cute little bag that she put them in. She got me this. We get so worried about being pretty. Let's be pretty, kind, pretty funny, pretty smart, pretty strong. I love how she took her time to print these out and just kind of decorated this and everything. Oh my god, okay, so she got me the Kabuki makeup brush set. I love wearing makeup, so I don't know if she got that impression from seeing my videos or what, but so far the things that I've gotten are definitely me. So she got me these brushes that I will definitely be using. And they match this, like the color. Like the rose gold color going on. The other one says, wake up, work out, look hot, kick ass. Okay, so she got me this. I'm not sure what it is. Find your colorful life. Are they a pair of leggings? Oh my god, so she got me these pair of leggings. They're so colorful, so bright. These are so cute. These are so cute. They're so fun. They're so colorful. And they're my size. Okay, so the last item she got me is fashion is what you buy. Style is what you do with it. And then she got me this. This is super cute. I love the color. Like, I did think I mentioned my favorite color was pink purple. And this is great for all these makeup brushes. This is great for like makeup. This is super cute. I really love how everything goes together. Like the colors, color-wise. I feel like she put so much thought into my gift. I love everything. Thank you so much. I really love how you put so much thought into the gift. It really does show, just the packaging, the wording, everything. This is super cute. I'll definitely be using this. I'm just curious as to who are you? Because I don't see a no anywhere. Unless I missed it because of how exciting all these cute gifts are. Oh my god, guys. So she even spray painted the box gold. I'm telling you guys, like everything just flows together. Everything looks so nice. She did this gold. The little bag on the chocolate kisses are gold. This book is gold. Like everything just matches perfectly. So I loved all my presents. I just don't know who got me because I can't find a name, and I thought we were supposed to reveal ourselves, but I honestly can't find a little paper with her name. I loved all the gifts. They're so cute. I'll definitely be kicking some ass at the gym with those leggings. Thank you so much. This collaboration was so fun. Getting a Valentine's Day gift for someone you don't know. I really enjoyed it. I will be posting the links down below. Everyone who participated in the collaboration. I cannot say collaboration. Collaboration. Everyone who participated in this collab. Hopefully you guys will check all the other videos and you guys can figure out who got me and who I got. But this was so much fun. Like I said, all the links will be down below. Comment down below and let me know what you are doing for Valentine's, if who you're getting something for, or are you just over Valentine's? You're not a person that celebrates Valentine's Day and you're just gonna go ahead and skip it and then go to the store the next day and buy all those yummy chocolates, because I do that too. So like if I usually like after Christmas or Halloween, all candy that's on sale, I'll go ahead and buy some. So like, you know, for Easter, when they have those chocolate Easter bunnies, the next day they're like way cheap, so I'll go ahead and get them. So anyways, just let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. I won't be posting a video this Sunday, since this will be going up either Thursday or Friday, but I will see you guys next week, and I have a super fun video coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.